Hi, welcome to our channel. Now, as we spoke yesterday in the video to see a weekly outlook, that we would come up with a daily analysis as well. So, we are starting that series from today. So, we'll be analyzing Nifty, Bank Nifty on a daily basis. Now, when we were making this counting or when we were counting these moves by Nifty and Bank Nifty, we were slightly hesitant in calling this as A because if this could be an A, probably this would mean that it would take that much longer to make a B and then a very slow fall to C. Now here, when we see Nifty again, so we'll see this in Bank Nifty also. If we see this entire fall from the top has taken 37 bars, 36, 37. This also I'll take. So 37, 36, whatever you call. Now after this, if from the normal correction rules, if I need to make or if B is to be formed, it will take at least the time at least that's been equal to the A, that the time it has taken to make A. So if I say these two are equal, then I think I should have a B here, which is mid of January. But we also saw in the very early videos, I think somewhere in October or November, we saw it, that when are we expecting the bottom to reach and things like that. If that needs to hold true, B cannot take this much time. Again, this is one hypothesis, and basis this what we are trying to say. Now, if this is A and if it is this much time it is uh, going to take to make B, then there are some important candles also. So I say 36 or 37 bars, roughly one fourth of that will be 36 by 4, somewhere close to 9. So this candle is important. Let's mark this. This candle is important, and say 36 by 2, which will be 18th candle. 18th candle is tomorrow's candle. So tomorrow's candle is also going to be very important. Now why? Because at this 2 points or these are the probable times where X could be found. So if the price falls or if the price will make something, either a new high, maybe closing Thursday's or Friday's high, or it could make a small down move, but I don't expect the price to move a lot tomorrow. Whatever the movement is, the candle, tomorrow's candle will be very important, and especially the levels that it is going to make. Now from this what I see that, okay, I'll just remove the vertical line for now. Okay, so what is important for me? This level is important. What is the low for this? 24,366 is for Nifty. Now, whatever candle tomorrow is seen, the low of that candle will also be very important. Now, why I say so? Because if price makes a small high tomorrow, and if, say, let's assume that if it makes a small high tomorrow and the price falls again, when the price cuts the low of this candle, as in this particular price 24,366, is when I'll then consider this small move or a top, the local top, as X, and then this will I'll call it not A, but I'll start calling it C. So ABC will be W and this will be X. So low of this candle is important. Tomorrow's candle is also what I see is important. Now coming to our Bank Nifty. Now similar thing is there for Bank Nifty as well. So when we see a fall from here, which is this candle to this, coincidentally, this is also 37 bars. So both the indices have started falling at the same time and have fallen exactly till the very same time and then retracing also back in a similar fashion. So this thing this is the ninth candle here, this one, this green one. So this candle has a low of 52,685.15. Now this is something we will mark. It's an important level. Also, something that will be formed tomorrow, that candle is also very important. So tomorrow, say 18th will be this. So tomorrow's low and say this low. So whenever price makes a small high, or even this high would suffice. Whenever price makes a small high, higher high or a high, and breaks this low, this particular level 52,685, this move also will start calling it, or start treating it as X. So this in case of Bank Nifty, it was around 50%. In case of Nifty, it was about 50%. In case of Bank Nifty, it is 81%. So here we'll call it a big X or a capital X. In case of Bank Nifty, we'll still call it a small X. Now, what is important? Important is the reversal, if that reversal happens. So we'll see, we saw the important levels there. Or if that does not happen, what we had seen yesterday, or what we are expecting Y to get formed, that is something that can form. Now, that's the deciding candle tomorrow, which will probably either cause the trend reversal. If it does, then we'll treat it as X. So tomorrow I see that there could be a small, whichever, it's a gap up, gap down, doesn't matter, or a small rise, or a small green, small red, doesn't really matter. But it could be a small candle only, and tomorrow's low will decide, or tomorrow candle's low will decide a lot of things in the future. So tomorrow I don't see many targets, or probably something I would consider not trading the day. So it's only after tomorrow, maybe on Wednesday or so, we could see a rally, or we could see a fall in either of the direction the price could go. So tomorrow, I think I would take a break, not exactly a trading day for me, but tomorrow's levels are important. Thank you so much. So this is our new series with respect to the daily commentary on the indices. We'll also start taking start commenting on the commodity side as well. Could be gold, could be crude, could be anything else as well. Crypto is something we'll not touch very soon, but will eventually do that also eventually. So that's about it. Let's see in the next video, or the update tomorrow. Thank you so much. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.